Hello! I am here again. Today I decided to show you how I make chicken nuggets for my kids. This recipe is very healthy and no artificial flavor. Okay, before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell here. So guys, let's continue making these very healthy chicken nuggets. Are you ready? Here are the ingredients.
So guys, here are our ingredients for our healthy chicken nuggets. And we need 500 grams chicken breast. But if you can buy ground chicken breast in your area, it is better for you. But since we don't have ground chicken breast here, I must process this later. And we need flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, carrot, onion, and garlic. My garlic cloves are small, so I need 4 of them. But if you have bigger garlic cloves, then you might need 2 of them. Since mine are too small, I need 4. We also need a piece of celery leaves, just like this is a small amount, and 2 pinches of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. And lastly, we need oil for frying later. And those are our ingredients, and let's start. So I've already crushed my carrots, onions, and garlic and celery leaves here in my handy dandy crusher, and as you can see, they are fine, so that your kids will not chew the particles of the onions, especially the onions and the garlic. What we are going to do next is to cut our chicken breast into cubes so that we can process it later into my handy dandy food processor. So guys, I sliced my chicken breast in cubes, and then I put here in my mini manual what do you call this, food processor. So guys, it looks like this. So let's process it. I think it's okay, and let's put the 2 pinch of black pepper and the half teaspoon of salt, and let's process it again till the salt and pepper well incorporated. It's already mixed, and let's put 1 egg. Okay. So guys, the camera was not on, so I mix the carrot and the chicken breast mixture together, and I put so that later on we can form tablespoon of flour in it, chicken nuggets. Okay, so let's mix it well, and then so guys, let's form the nuggets. Your hand should always wet so that it will not stick to your hand. So let's form a bowl like that and flatten it like this. Then you can put in your breadcrumbs like that, and set aside. So remember to wet your hand before you touch the mixture.
form a ball and then flatten it. You can make it circle or oval, it's up to you. Or you can bread it with flour if you are if you don't have
So guys, here is now our chicken nuggets and they are ready to fry.
Fry it later. There's no
So guys, we have hot oil here and let's try it. Yes, it's ready and we can now deep fry our chicken nuggets. But it's up to you. You can fry it in less oil or you can also bake it. It's up to you. But I like to deep fry my chicken nuggets. So let's fry all of this until golden brown. So guys, they are now ready. They are golden brown. It's perfect and they are crispy. Let's take them out from the oil.
So guys, let's taste our healthy chicken nuggets. It's delicious, guys. You should try it too. There's no artificial flavor in it. Thank you for watching and I hope it's delicious. Also try my chicken nuggets recipe. It's very healthy and yeah, it's good for you. It's thumbs up if you like. Again, thank you very much for watching and take care everyone.